Welcome to our next video tutorial. This tutorial will learn a little bit more about the crease edges. Crease edges we call the edges where we want to have a sharp contact on the freeform. In this example, if I just press the spacebar, you see that it is smooth everywhere. And this has been by design, and we created this. But in some cases we may want an edge to be actually sharp. How can we do this? It's just by taking an edge, selecting different edges which we want, or in this example I can just double click. It will select the whole edge chain, and then I can right click and select crease. Let's take a look now at the surface. As you see now, this edge contacts here, but it's actually sharp. The way we want to remove this is just by selecting the edge which we want not to be crease anymore, or in this case I can just select everything, right click and say remove crease. So pressing the spacebar now, you see that everything is smooth again. Of course, you can also take a single vertex, single point, and you can make it crease. So then if I just move it, you see that here it's sharp on this point, but on the other point slowly and smoothly transits into a non-sharp edge. I can just remove the crease now on this point, and it is smooth again. The same thing we can do if I just take a couple of edges here, and I can right click and say crease. If we look at the object, you see that we can achieve a great results with starting a sharp edge, and it smoothly transits into a G2 continuity. Also, these commands, which I show you in the context menu, they can also be accessed from the More tool menu. Thank you for watching.